Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's been a long time since we have met in a workout video. So today's our workout is about arm using a tricep concept. A tricep concept is we'll be doing 3 variations back to back, 2 bicep and 1 tricep movement, or 2 triceps, 1 bicep movement. So in the first variation here, we are doing a barbell curls using wide and close grip to hit our biceps. If you have seen, my client has been doing wide grip barbell curls and now he shifted to close grip barbell curls. We'll be doing back to back 3 variations without no rest in between. Once we're done with the 3 variations, then we'll be resting for a minute or 90 seconds. So here we done hitting 2 variations of bicep. Now we'll be hitting the rope press downs for the tricep. We'll be performing around 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps each depending on the weight. If you go in an incremental weight process, try to decrease the reps as the load will be heavy and keep your form on right all the time. So in the first tricep, we have done 2 bicep variations and 1 tricep variation. Now in the second tricep, which is 4th variation, we'll be doing the hammer bar curls. If your gym doesn't have this barbell, you can use a dumbbell in place of it. It is a neutral grip barbell curl which activates your bicep and forearm as well. So we are done with the 1 variation of bicep. We'll be doing 2 variations in this tricep. So the first tricep variation is overhead extension with the same barbell. You can even use a double arm heavy dumbbell overhead extension if your gym doesn't have this barbell. Perform around 10 to 12 reps of each variation. As we done the overhead extension, now we are going to the tricep kickback, the 6th variation of today's workout. So in this tricep, we have done 1 bicep variation, the barbell hammer, and then the overhead extension and tricep kickback. Perform 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. So in the third tricep, we'll be hitting 2 bicep variations and 1 tricep variation, and it will be done for the day. So the 7th variation here is cable curls for bicep. Use a weight with which you can do 12 easy reps. You should not cheat on the form. Make sure all the tension is carried on your biceps. As we have came for the 7th variation, your arms will be a little fatigued. So try to pick a weight with which you can do 12 perfect reps. And then we are dropping down. We are reducing it a little bit of weight and doing the reverse curls, which is a great variation for building your forearms and biceps. I usually prefer reverse curls in the finisher as it activates most of your forearm, so it's really beneficial if you work it as a finisher. You don't need the same weight with which you did the barbell pronated curls. Reverse curls, just go a little bit down on the weight and keep hitting your reps, 10 to 12 reps. And then we'll be shifting it to the up and we'll be doing the tricep. The finisher of the tricep for today's workout is a traditional bar cable press down. This is the 9th variation of today's workout. So we'll be hitting around 15 reps. You don't need to draw crazy on weight, just a moderate weight with which you can do 12 to 15 reps with proper form, squeezing your tricep in every rep, each and every rep. If you see my client, he's squeezing his tricep in each and every rep all the way down and taking his forearms up and getting it down, extending the elbow, working on his triceps, which is really beautiful. I think you liked the video and concept of tricep. This is it guys, signing off for today.